Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? This is me, James E. Leonard III, coming to you today. About to give you a little razzle dazzle, give you a little taste, a little introduction to the play to earn world of gaming. Uh, I came on a few days ago and let you guys know about what was coming up with this play to earn structure that's happening out here on the blockchain. Now, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek by looking at this. I happened to run across it. I said, you know what better way for me to illustrate it than to just come out and show y'all. Now, I don't know about you, but I have two young children and they like to play games on my phone all the time. Wouldn't it be nice to let them play games that pay you by letting them play? Well, there's nothing wrong with that, right? And I ran across this the other day, and I'm looking through it. And I'm like, a lot of these games, when you go to the Google Play Store, they're already there. Some of you've seen some of these games before, but did you know that you could earn money to play them? So I wanted to sit this down in front of you and let you look at it and think to yourself, man, this is something that's groundbreaking that is taking place, and you should want to be a part of it. Now, this is like very entry level with this. I don't know about warm play. I just literally came across it. But what I do know, there are some bigger things that are coming out, and I'm going to show you one later that it just really hasn't taken mass effect yet, but I know that it will. And I'm not going to be on too long. But look, guys, like, have any of you played World of Tanks? Did you know you can get paid to play World of Tanks and all these different, like Farmerama? I've seen people playing these games, and you can get paid from them. Like what's coming to us and where we're going with the cryptocurrency space, the NFT space, uh, the just the whole digital virtual reality realm is going to be unbelievable. And you do want to grab a hold of it now and get in front of it, especially if you want to monetize it, because there's definitely ways for you to do so. A lot of these games. Will allow you to purchase NFTs, allow you to build them up that you'll be able to sell to other players once you get your whatever the item is, whether it's like similar to a quote unquote Pokemon or whatnot, or whether it be like a tank or some type of mech that you're using to fight in the space. So you'll be able to monetize this stuff. Man, I think it's amazing because I play games like Halo and Grand Theft Auto and stuff like that. And I like those type of games when I do play. I don't play much anymore. However, I might start back up knowing that this is what is on the forefront of it. But when you think of that, like, well, man, if I can put people in front of this, my kids, my nieces, or even me in my downtime, and make money from it, why wouldn't I do it? And what a better way to get into the cryptocurrency space than doing this? So here, let's take a look at a couple of these games real quick. Now I can't speak too much about this platform. I just ran across it because I put it in. I'm like, we were having a conversation on one of our training calls about what was coming. And so I did some more research, and I ran across this. So I'm looking around and I see stuff like, let's see, World of Tanks. This would be something that I would play where you can come on, build you a tank. Let's see here. Build you a tank and then go out and start earning money by just playing and unwinding a little bit. What you can do like from here is basically go to this point and it'll tell you how you can play the game. You download it to your device and you start playing, and it's simple as that. It links it up to your Google account or whatever else, and you just start earning rewards for it. But what I want to show you is something bigger that's going to be coming. And then what I want you to think about is the blockchains that these games are being built on, researching those blockchains, and then starting to invest into those blockchains. So as this takes off, you'll be able to be in position to really win. And I'm going to show you one of these blockchains, and I'm going to show you how affordable it is right now to get involved with it and where it could possibly go from where it is now. Not to mention how much further it can go in the future. But let's look at this. This game right here is just one. Like I told you, I'm not going to show you all the beans yet. I'm not going to spill all the beans for you, but I want you to sit here and go and look at this. This is one. It's called God's Unchained. And look at the graphics. that are being unleashed here with you with this. It looks really nice. Um, it's similar to like a card playing game where you can, pick cards, buy packs, and I'm quite sure you're gonna be able to download NFTs to get bigger packs, and you're gonna earn money by playing this kind of stuff. And I never played what is it called? I never played the Pokemons or the Magic games and stuff like that, but I know plenty of people who did and like that kind of stuff. Um, and if you're gonna put a game in front of your child to entertain them, why not put them in a space where they'll be able to earn and make some money from doing it? So it's a win-win. You get them over there where they can be quiet for a little while. I know that's what y'all do. Y'all give them a game or something so they're not bothering you, making a little less noise. But at the same time, while they're doing that, they are earning money. Now, look, one of the primary blockchains that these games are being built on is called Gala. Now, I want to show y'all something. Learning how to operate in the financial market is so very powerful, because when you can see the ebbs and the flows of how the market is moving, you know when it's a great time to get in or out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the chart on price movement of Gala. Let's look at this. Come down for a second. Hope you guys can see this. Got my big head in the way to move this. Come down here for a second. Now, what I want you to look at right now, this is sitting at virtually 14 cents per coin, but at its all-time high, do this, come on down. At its all-time high, it sat at 80 cents. Okay, so this sat at 80 cents and is at 13 cents now. Imagine if you bought some of this stuff and you sat on it and it raised back up to this price. You're going to 8 times your money. Let's say 7 times your money just by investing into that. Not to mention when some of these other games that are going to be coming out comes out, and not to mention that they're involved with the music industry and some of the other groundbreaking people that are partnering into this virtual reality meta world space. So this stuff is not going to stay 13 cents, and you can mark my word on that. Keep this in your mind if you're paying attention. Gala, remember, I shared this with you. Right now, it's almost at the all-time low. Right when it came onto the market or started showing on this chart, it came in at around 11 cents. Right now, it is at virtually 14 cents per coin. So you can basically get back in at the very bottom low and hold on to this. People talk about Dogecoin and some of the other meme coins out there, which they are starting to adapt and to have some usage cases. But now we have stuff that actually has a use case. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a little more in-depth understanding about Gala. Let's look at this. Gala Crypto. Let you guys have a look at this. JL giving you a bone today. I'm gonna let y'all have a bone today. So take a look at this. These are some of the games that are going to be coming out from it, but you can learn a little more about it and come on here and actually, yeah, I accept all of that. You can see what's happening. There's some stuff that's coming that you guys are going to really be excited about. Like I think this is similar to like a World of Warcraft type game where you can go in and utilize some of that if you've ever played that. Let's see what else they got. I don't know, Fuzzle. I don't know. Look at the graphics on all of this. Like this is a game where you can have mechs and you can build them and you can fight them. But I want to show you the type of people that are partnering with this company. Is anybody familiar with The Walking Dead? Y'all watch The Walking Dead? Is one of the most successful TV series of all times, and they have gathered and partnered with Gala Games. If you think that the Gala coin is only going to stay at 13 cents when this stuff starts to take mass adoption, it's not going to happen. And for those that invest in it, they are going to really reap the rewards. Like I say, I keep going back to the point in time when I would share that, man. Look, Ethereum is $9 a coin, and Bitcoin is $300 to $600 per coin. Now look at where they are now. When you starting to look at this stuff and think, do any of you play games? Do you have nieces and nephews that play games? Do they like franchises like The Walking Dead and stuff like that? This is going to be very valuable and worth a lot of money in the coming future. So I suggest that anyone who's interested in this type of stuff dive in, do your research, and get involved with it, because I know that I am. Look, I'm not gonna stay on too long, man. I just wanted to come and further elaborate on what we were talking about. I said, like, I was on a meeting and we were talking about the play to earn aspect that's coming into the blockchain. But I grew up playing Nintendo and Sega Genesis, and we didn't earn 1 red cent for it. And then when you think about it, when you go to GameStop and stuff like that, not to mention these people have partnered with GameStop. Let that hold on to you. When you go to GameStop and you buying cartridges for the Nintendo, the Xbox, and the PlayStation, how much are you investing on those cartridges or those games? You're paying almost 60, $70 for those. So this is a perfect way for you to put some entertainment in front of your kids or whoever, even yourself, and start to earn money from it. If you would like to learn more about this, or you want to be informed more about what's happening to the NFT space, the play to earn space, the cryptocurrency space, man, allow me to invite you to come and take advantage of learning firsthand, just like I'm learning on some of these crypto calls on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you are interested, holler at me and I'll send you some information where you can start coming on with us and engulfing yourself in this education to take advantage of it. It's me, it's Jay. I'm out. I'm done. I holler back. See you on the next video.